Please don't ask me why I was dancing in this video because I also don't know. But one thing I know for sure is that we're gonna be changing oil filter, air filter, spark plugs and oil on the project Vivo. Let's go. Before you bash me with those comments, please note this is the most unprofessional video I have ever made. As you can see, straight from the beginning, we were struggling to remove the oil filter. Step number 1, do not service your car like Curtis, because Curtis only has a toolbox from demo. He does not have the complete toolbox to service the car. He's just having fun. We finally managed to get the oil filter out, and step number 2, we are draining the oil.
And then they get you.
While the oil was draining, the unprofessionals had to step in and do the job for the unqualified, removing the clips that hold the wiring harness that goes to the coil packs. The unqualified are getting qualified. Say someone who just removed the clip that connects the wire that goes to the coil pack. Now they feel like they are the best mechanic in the whole world. All the clips that hold the wires to the coil packs are out. Now it's time to remove all the coil packs. I then inspected the coil packs to see if there's any residue or traces of carbon buildup. Luckily, they were all still in a good condition.
Yeah, I have that thing. What? I have that Q20.
Q20.
Yeah.
Even with normal oil is fine. Just lubricate. You're not gonna pour oil inside. Just to lubricate because you can see it's dry.
Yeah.
The coil packs were not the best looking because they had rust, but I understand because the car has been chilling for quite some time. I had to throw in some Q20 just to remove all that rust.
Screwdriver so much.
This was supposed to be a one-man job, but everyone offered to help. So good for me, I wouldn't have to do everything on my own. But I wouldn't have allowed them to touch this car if they were amateurs. I only did so because I've seen them working on their cars.
You see the rust? Why we yellow? The rust black.
Zonal, see. Kilo man zonal, see.
Was selling this thing, guys. What's the ladies? I'm saying this.
I don't keep on bullet. I get 5 keeper. Can I get 2? I get 5.
Sheila was having a point.
I know what to talk so for.
All spark plugs out, it's time to replace them with the new ones. But the old ones, they were still in a good condition. But I mean, I had to replace them because I had already bought the new ones.
Yeah.
Try ka one.
Alright, boom.
Show it again.
We replaced the old spark plugs. Right now we're just hooking them back in.
Give me yours.
So you must know you bought that thing too.
We fitted all the spark plugs. Now we're just putting back the coil packs while removing the cover for the air filter.
Yeah. Hey.
Lubricant coolant.
Lubricant.
Kanya ko lang ang lubricant. Kamahar ko lang.
Kilo ba ko lohin? Tas chele me tagir no sana lela tos na lungu berek sama.
Wait, cut it.
Eh, li polos na kulian to berek sama.
Hey, my cat is.
I don't take it out this way.
Okay.
Eh, filter.
Yeah.
Amarelo sale fresh.
Wanyo filter.
Sale fresh.
Are mean?
Sale fresh, Joe.
Yeah, no,
Let's have it.
Oh.
Let's have it.
fresh. Baba zakala nyap.
Ah, sale fresh.
I don't know what's his definition of fresh, but that air filter was cooked. It was filled with a lot of dust. Yes, it looked like it was new, but when you hit it against something, it was releasing a lot of dust.
The screws are there, no?
You can chop it, but there's a ratchet.
Ratchet? Serious? Use a ratchet.
The man who reach a 3 liters up in 25. Can you chop it with enough grip?
Slippery as fuck. Slippery as fuck. Take it off and try. But it's slippery.
Let's try it. Yeah, it can come. Maybe they tried one last time.
It's slippery, boy.
I think
It's not allowed. I tried it, that's fine. This one's also fine.
you're gonna chop the oil.
Father, don't lose your content, bro. Never lose gas. Lose your content. Them are secret is in cars. Them are secret is in cars is fine. It's not leaking under there.
Yeah.
It's not leaking under there.
Where?
It's not leaking underneath.
Oh, underneath that. He said 3 liters, and then we're gonna. This is 1 liter.
It's 5. It's 5.
He said we must put 3.
Is it 3?
This is number 1. VW, wait.
Yeah, mechanics everywhere. I hear you guys, the mechanics of South Africa of the century. Mechanics of the century.
Get the dance mechanic.
Yeah, but tomorrow we might change the fuel filter. You saw how bad it is.
The oil.
You see, I said 5 liters. It's halfway, Pelatre. Halfway. It's halfway, boy. Look, see the line here. It's half. It's 3/4. Let's just say 3/4. Put an extra liter.
I'm gonna. You can do whatever that works for you. For you.
Your Richard, drink your stuff.
So what are you gonna do?
I knew someone was gonna comment. Let me wipe there. Can you go wipe?
Somebody go wipe it.
Wipe it later. Sonso wipe it before we check. Wipe and then put it back in.
Eh? Malatela. Where's the Malatela?
You see now.
Yeah,
Let's stuff. Benzi. It doesn't want. It doesn't want.
How about it showed a bit?
The safety measure, I'm not sure no matter how much you know about it.
You ride with the brakes, it's raw content. They want that raw.
Mas on the road, you don't show them cut and paste like that comes to. So like about
Yeah.
I have to catch this. They don't know I do what doing with life. Does that make sense?